Noong nag-enroll ka sa University of Makati na September 2019, gumraduate ka sa 4-year course na bachelor degree in political science ng 3 buwan. Gumraduate ka December 2019. Nag-enroll ka September 2019 at gumraduate ka ng December 2019. 3 buwan mong tinapos ang 4-year course na pinaghihirapan ng iba. Sumasakay ng jeep, nagwo-working student. Ano ang nangyari? Ano ang ginawa mo? Tinanong ko yung isang abogado ko kanina. Sinabi ko, pwede ba yun? Ako may paralan ako dito, may kolehiyo dito, Jose Maria College. Stricto masyado yung DepEd sa amin. Stricto rin yung Commission on Higher Education, yung CHED. Kapag bumagsak ka sa isang subject, magsak ka talaga. Pero walang nangyaring may gumraduate dito ng 3 buwan sa isang 4-year course. Ngayon, ang tanong ko, paano mo nagawa yun? What is the connection between you and the University of Makati? Sabi ko, nandun sa litrato, meron kang diploma May pinakita ka doon Ayan How did you obtain that? Sinabi nung isang abogado, pwede mong gawin yan, but it should be a falsification of school documents. Falsification of school documents. I-falsify mo yung school documents. Sabi ko, paano? Baka pwede ka magbayad. Hindi ko alam kung nagbayad siya o hindi. Paano niya nagawa yun? Kung yun pinayagan ng University of Makati, maaaring ang University of Makati will be under investigation. Because unfair sa iba. Unfair sa school system. Unfair sa CHED. Unfair sa DepEd. Unfair sa University of Makati. At unfair din sa amin. Kung pwedeng gawin ng University of Makati yan, pwede namin gawin dito. Bakit? Meron ba kayong favoritism? CHED, DepEd? Meron ba kayong favoritism? Bakit hindi nyo pinabayaan nangyari yan? It may be falsification of public or school documents. Pakisagot nga po. Kasi our team will go to University of Makati, will go to DepEd, and will go to CHED and ask all about this. How did this happen? Ngayon, nangyari na yan, meron na diploma si Senator Pacquiao. Ang tanong ko dito, how did you do it? There is no other question, there is no other answer in my mind than that you have corrupted the University of Makati. By what means? By your popularity or by paying them money? Now, that is just a probability, but it is a strong probability. Kayo, kung nababayaran ng University of Makati, corrupted na yung university na yan. So, who is involved in corruption now? Who is involved in corruption? You have corrupted DepEd. You have corrupted the CHED. You have corrupted the University of Makati by obtaining that. Paki-explain nga, Senator Manny Pacquiao, sa akin, sa mamamayang Pilipino, kung paano mo nakuha ang diploma mo na kinakailangan pag-aralan ng 4 na taon. At dapat pumasa ka sa 4 na taon na yun bago makakuha ng diploma. Paki-explain nga sa amin kung corruption ba yun o hindi. Yan ang tanong.